Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to shorten your Google Drive link. Let's get into it. First, get your link from Google Drive. Go to your Google Drive, find your file, and click the Share button or the Get Link icon. Make sure the setting is set so that other people can see it, then click Copy Link. You need to have the long address in your hand before you can make it smaller. It ensures you are working with the correct file. Next, visit a link shortening website. You need to go to a special website that specializes in making long web addresses much shorter. Open a new tab in your browser and go to a site like Bitly or TinyURL for the link. Look for the big box in the middle of the screen that asks for your long link. These websites are built to take your long Google Drive address and swap it for a very short one. Next, paste and shorten your link. Now you are going to put your long link into the box and tell the website to shrink it down for you. Right-click inside the box and select Paste to put your long Google Drive link there. Click the button that says Shorten or Make Tiny. It ensures your shared link is ready to be used anywhere. Click the Copy button next to your new tiny link. Paste this new link into your email, text message, or social media post. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.